Hello? Yeah. I wanna know what is this? You can't really see it. But my monitor, I need to fix my monitor and I need to know what this is. Cause it's broken and I need to buy a new one. And it's the power that I know. Cause everything else works still. So, yeah. Hold up. Let me put it back in the light right quick. I'll be right back. Alright, see, it's better now. But, yeah. Trying to find out what is this. Maybe you can focus on it. Alright, yeah, it's focusing. Yeah, I gotta find out what is this. Need help? My wire broke, and this is what I need. Focus. You don't even know what is this. So I can fix my monitor. I need to buy this part. So anybody know, please help me out. Peace out.